This is a story about a little puppy and a kind family. The puppy was lost and all alone.
I love football. What is that? What is that? Hello, little puppy. Don't be scared. Puppy. Come with me. Cute puppy.
He looks hungry.
Let's help him.
Little puppy.
Good puppy.
Let's call him Buddy.
We must find his owner.
Someone may be looking for him.
Well, look at that! He must be the one from the poster.
Can we keep him, Daddy? Please?
Let's take him home, sweetie.
Many days passed.
Good job, Buddy. Kindness is beautiful.
Everyone loved Buddy.
Best friend. Best friend.
Buddy?
Buddy leaving?
Buddy knew his owner. It was hard to say goodbye. Thank you.
Goodbye, Buddy.
Yes, sweetheart.
I miss Buddy.
Another puppy. Welcome home.
A new friend arrived. What a happy day!
Good night, puppy.
Everyone was happy.
Buddy.
When you help others, good things come back to you.
We are so lucky to have you, Buddy.